Don't be scared. I'm here for you. Wow!
And watching on the TV.
The first one-month distance since I arrived in the Philippines. Natural water massage. Wow! Wow! One more beautiful day on Samal Island. Guys, you know who I met? I don't know if you know that guy or no, but he's a vlogger in Samal Island. And I met him yesterday. I told him, hey, I saw your vlogs, how you go to Dao Falls. Maybe you can show me as well where it is, because I don't know how to get there. And so here we are. Oh no, I step in mud. Say hi to my subscribers.
Hello!
You know him? Probably you know. He make very nice vlogs from falls, and also I saw his blog. Maybe you also saw that from El Nido of Samal Island.
El Nido, yeah, mini Palawan.
That's here.
Hi, hello. Be careful.
And now he showed me how to go to Dao Falls, but he is pretty dangerous to go down. He's really dangerous. Hey, I didn't expect that he will be like that.
I can handle your camera.
Oh, and I will handle the tree.
Oh, maybe. Can you hold? Okay.
Oh, mamachki! That's scary.
Yeah, this is adventure.
No, that's...
Be careful.
Hey.
Okay. Can you hold? Hold me forever. Wow! Iko, patuloy mo kong kwandal. Okay. Pwede naman sa babo, sa ubos na ka. This is adventure.
This is crazy.
Yeah, no, crazy.
Wow, wow, wow.
Eh, ikaw lang tol.
So
Hiwi.
beautiful butterfly.
Ikaw mga usap mga anak.
I'm sorry, I'm too slow. You're already down and I'm here.
Yeah. Almost done.
Now I'm not feeling like local. I'm still too European.
Okay? Don't be scared. I'm here for you. Wow!
Wow. How they all know about this place? That's because of your vlog.
Yeah, because of my blog also.
Somebody cooking here? Wow, smells so good. Here are so many people. Guys, just look at this beautiful place. So beautiful, so beautiful. Someone's here so beautiful. Guys, bring your guitar. So we're going there. My leg's already in the water.
You go first. Oh my goodness. I'm a vlogger.
Guys, can you imagine? I forgot water to take. I want to drink so much, and people give me that. Even without me asking, they told me maybe you want beer. I said no, water. Look, and they give me water.
And watching on the TV. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
So Andel's vlog drone is flying, guys. You see? Let's go jump again.
Wala na. May nanalo na.
Dagunite ko siya ba? It's like a water massage. Natural water massage. Wow. It's so fun. Wait, I can see the three people, but they don't swim. Only me. This one don't swim because he don't have t-shirt. Oh, I want t-shirt.
I don't have t-shirt.
Yeah, no t-shirt. Here is too cold. And Andel. The first one mangosteen since I arrived in the Philippines. Let's try. I miss the taste so much. So sour and sweet. I think mangosteen is my favorite fruit ever. I don't know, or durian is better. So they both on the first place, mangosteen and durian. You like durian?
Yeah, I like. Yeah, that's my favorite.
What is your favorite kind sort of durian?
Durian, kind of durian.
Variety.
Variety. Sige, dagko atong pangalan variety. Dagko daw. Dili, durian.
Durian.
Katong uyat, uyat. Yeah, the big one.
And mine is the 101.
One.
That's the best ever. So it's such a beautiful day, and because it's so hot, here is just perfect to be. I guess outside there in the city is 34, 33, and here is absolutely not hot, and water is so refreshing, amazing. That's how paradise looks like. Really, I don't believe it's reality. Maybe I died and I'm in paradise. Here, boy sold us bananas. I don't know, he's so small. How do you think, how old is that boy? Is he 5? Are you already a businessman? Ah, it's video.
Uhaha. You say uhaha.
Waha?
Okay.
What's that?
Uhaha.
Waha? What is waha?
Uhaha means love.
What?
Love.
Love?
Yeah.
But love is...
Haha only, but my word is uhaha. It's more fun in the Philippines. Yay!
Guys, can you imagine? I finally find guso. So fresh guso is in Peña Plata. You wanna be on my vlog?
You're a vlogger?
Yeah.
Ay, you're a vlogger? What's your name? What's your name? Your vlog. What's your pangalan? Say mo.
It
I
just-
follow you.
It's just my name and surname. So I buy for that such a
Right
bag. Okay. Wait, I tell how much I pay.
Right here.
For so much seaweeds, guso, I paid 16 pesos. Can you imagine? And I will eat this all evening today. I love guso. You want my name?
Oh, your vlog. Vlog name.
I am half American, half Bisaya.
Look, it's just my name and surname. So you will find me.
Here is your name. Here is the girl. Here is my amo.
I'm so happy that I find guso. Guys, you made me happy. Bye bye. Thank you so much.